This is Hoi An, where century-old buildings lean into narrow streets. Motorbikes weave past lantern-lit bridges, and somehow, none of it feels like a museum. It's alive, loud in some corners, quiet in others. And today we're chasing flavors that make this town impossible to replicate anywhere else on earth. Let's go. Hoi An is a town where history isn't just the architecture, it's in the water. We started the day chasing flavors you literally cannot find anywhere else on earth. Take Cao Lau. These thick, smoky noodles get their unique texture because the rice must be mixed with ash from local Cham Island trees and alkaline water drawn from a secret 1,000-year-old local well. The well right here that Cao Lau is made out of. You see, you guys, they have it covered up right there. This is very important here in this city. They even have a lock on this one. Check it out. I bet they're still using this. I don't know for sure, but I bet they're still using it for water. It's dense, earthy, and hyper-local. You cannot get this dish to be official from any other city in Vietnam. Look, this appears to be something like crackling. Let's check it out. Oh, nice. I'm gonna put some fish oil on that joker. I'm gonna taste the noodles next. Let's check out the noodles. Oh, these noodles. Look at the noodles. Look at the noodles. They are tight on their flavors, yo. Look, we got some basil. We got basil right there, y'all. Look at that basil. That basil. Look at these pieces of pork with that nice fat on them. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. I think I'm moving to Vietnam. Stir it up. You got that lettuce there and those noodles. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another fatty piece of pork. Delicious. One more piece of that little crackling type of pork. Nice and crunchy. This dish looks light, but it is very filling. It's official, y'all. Look at that piece of crackling right there. Can y'all see that? This is the three time that I've been here at this spot. The food is all delicious. I was gonna go get this from somewhere else, but I'm like, yo, this spot here with the temple here in the background and the many different shops here in this old town, man. This town goes back centuries, and that's the beautiful part about it. It reminds me of like a little private, quiet village with a bunch of tourists. Do y'all understand what I'm talking about? Right next to it sits Mi Quang, a completely different beast. Vibrant yellow from turmeric served with just a shallow splash of intensely savory broth, fresh herbs, and a crispy rice cracker to tie it all in together. It's the culinary soul of the region. I like. I like. All right, y'all, I added some of that hot spices right there. I'm gonna just dip this noodle in there and then we're gonna eat it, all right? Just a little bit. Oh, shoot. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's go. Maybe not. Just a little bit. I'm telling y'all, I think Vietnamese food is kind of like soul foodish. The different flavors and spices, it is not bland at all. I gotta eat one of these eggs, man. Let's check it out. Why does everything taste fresh in Vietnam and not America? But you can't talk about food in Hoi An without addressing the elephant in the market. We made a pilgrimage to Banh Mi Phuong. This is a legendary spot Anthony Bourdain put on the global map, famously calling their signature sandwich a symphony in a sandwich. Now, if you've been following the travel news over the last few years, you might know this icon faced a major crisis, a severe food poisoning incident that forced a strict 3-month government shutdown. For a legendary family business, it was a massive blow. They've since completely overhauled their kitchen systems, updated their health standards, and reopened. Oh yeah, I got my banh mi, y'all. Got that banh mi. Let's check it out. Okay, I just want to show you the size of it. This right here was 40 dong. That's under $2, all right? Let's check it out. I told her everything. Let's see if they put it. When I watched his video, they put like this sauce on it. It don't look like that sauce. They just like added some of the gravy to the bottom, but it has just about everything on it, man. Look at this, look at this. Look at this, would you look at this? And it's evident that they're back in business and back strong. And the flavors are absolutely delicious. Market here in Hoi An. We just came off the river and this is the market here. Y'all know I like it when I see a lot of smoke. Right, y'all. I'm out here with my French friend. We trying to find something. I don't know what it is. What's the name? What's the name of it?
Mezcal.
Mezcal?
Yeah.
That sounds like some type of wine. She said, Yo, we out on these streets. Y'all know I don't be hanging out this late at night. I used to be watching Netflix right now, but you know what? Let's talk about Vietnam. You know, because always hear it's like it's safe. This is very safe. It's beautiful. The vibe is beautiful. What I'm smelling is beautiful. Just seeing people sit down and actually socially connect without cell phones is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Why are you walking so fast? Hold on, let me get you. You are walking way too fast. She's a runner, y'all. So I had to catch up just now. Oh, is this a movie theater? Oh, that's cool, yo. How do you know? How do you know this? All right, y'all. I'll tune in later. Peace.